How we getting on, people? Luke here from LAGFX. We are back today with a new Sunday sessions video. If you guys are new to this series, it's basically where we choose a few pairs that we feel hold good potential for the coming week. And we break down some of the analysis we have performed, giving you guys a better understanding on how to tackle these markets. Now, this style of video is obviously great for those who are new to the industry and want to learn a working strategy, but it's also good for those veterans as well that just want further confluence with their own analysis. So if you guys do go on to enjoy this video, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. All the support you guys provide is very much appreciated. And if you have any questions or queries with regards to the analysis I go through today, please leave them in the comments below. Now, the first pair we're going to go over in today's Sunday sessions video is the Euro US dollar. So you can see here that we are actually involved in a short position here on the Euro US dollar, and as it stands, price is playing out very, very well. So on Friday, we had some fundamental news that caused price to trade up and into this area of supply. And what we've seen since is price actually trade us lower, going on to trade us in a bearish way. So it's created a low here, followed by a lower high, lower low, and what we are seeing now is a new lower high being set. So this was another area that I actually gave to our VIP clients. This is, as you can see here, a hidden order block, an area of inefficiency. So we wanted to see price trade up and into this and reject nicely to the downside. That's exactly what we've seen. So those of you who are watching this video and you're wanting to get involved in the Euro US dollar, potentially look for those short opportunities. This here would be a brilliant place to get involved from. So just to summarize, I am literally wanting to see a continuation in bearish structure and for price to trade us down and into our take profit target, which sits just above the last higher time frame low here. Now heading over to the Great British Pound to the US dollar, as you can see, this pair is trading us in a bullish way and it's respecting these areas of demand. What I'm wanting to see is for price to trade down and into this one, which can be found here on the 4-hour time frames to this order block, which looks like a doji. I want to see price trade down and into this area, reject well to the upside. A fractal breaker structure would present us with confirmation to actually buy in. So looking on the 15 minutes for a fractal break of structure in and around this area to the upside, that will give us the confirmation to look to buy in. And then I'll be setting my take profit targets somewhere below this area of supply here. But ultimately, I'm wanting to see bullishness in this market moving forward before we look to take part in some longer term short opportunities. Heading over to the Euro New Zealand dollar market, you can see here that price has traded us into a higher time frame demand zone, and we've just seen price break structure to the upside. So this here was the last protected high within this bearish structure. Why? Because this high created the lowest low, which are these ones here, and we've seen that enough demand is now being introduced to flip the S&D balance, and it's broken the structure to the upside. We now want to see price pull back down to set the first initial higher low before going on to set some higher highs and trading us up and into this market. So this week on the Euro New Zealand dollar, I am simply waiting for those bullish opportunities, and this right here is the perfect place to get involved from. As you can see, if we just make this a little bit larger, this is a hidden order block. Why? Because a wick to the upside followed by a wick to the downside displays that there is bearishness inside these candles. And we have a lot of inefficient structure with them being large green candles. So for price to trade down and into this, would be clearing any remaining orders, and that should encourage price to actually go on to trade us in a bullish way. So if you are looking to get involved in this market this week, definitely be looking for those buy opportunities. Now that's actually going to summarize this Sunday sessions video. I know it's been very short and sweet. However, those are the 3 pairs that I feel hold the best potential for the coming week. And those are the only pairs that I'm really looking at. Yes, we have the gold spot, XRP and the US dollar Swiss franc, but the markets themselves aren't really giving me much in terms of trading opportunities. So there's no point in giving you my bias on them when I don't see any trading opportunities this coming week. Now, if you guys did enjoy this video and you learned a thing or two, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. And as I said before, if you have any questions or queries with regards to my analysis or the trade itself, then please leave them in the comments below. As I said, apologies for the short video and the lack of depth within this video. However, there just isn't very much in terms of trading opportunities this coming week. The only things I'm seeing are from the 3 pairs that I've shown you here today. Now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you all in our next Sunday sessions video.